Welcome to this DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enhance your videos by adding text, backgrounds, and smooth fade-in and fade-out effects. Whether you're creating professional edits or simple video projects, mastering these techniques will take your content to the next level. Stick around as we dive into the quick and easy way to add text, customize it, and apply seamless transitions. Let's get started. Ensure you're on the edit page in DaVinci Resolve. Click on Effects in the toolbar and select Titles. Drag a simple text title onto your timeline. Place the text at the desired position where it should appear in the video. Double-click on the text in the timeline to open the inspector panel. Customize the font, size, position, and color as needed. Using the inspector panel. With the text selected, go to the inspector panel. Scroll down to the background section and enable it. Adjust the background color, opacity, and size to create a clean, professional look. Resize the background padding to fit around your text properly. To create a fade-in effect, select your text clip in the timeline. Drag the white handles inward at the clip's beginning to add a fade-in. Do the same at the end of the clip to create a fade-out effect.